Welcome to Valentine's Day vlog of Madhurima's kitchen. The day was really hectic for me. I woke up at 5 a.m. and then this is a special breakfast I prepared, road style dim roti, and then I have to go for a movie as well. So it was very busy and super speedy day, and I'm ready to go out.
Hello, it's 14 February 2025. Finally, it's Valentine Day. So it's going to be a vlog because there will be lots of fun, I guess. So it's 8:30 a.m. and very quickly I am prepared, and this is my Valentine attire. Not red this year, it's pink. So today I'm going to South City and we'll watch the movie Chava. I think I pronounced it correct. It's 9:10 a.m. show, so I have to run a lot. And after that, there are so many things coming. So stay tuned and stay updated. Okay, I think you have seen this gifts. So this is not a secret gift, and some of the gift my mother gifted to me, and some of them I bought it. So self love is important, no matter what. Why should always the couple have always the fun? Single can have fun as well in a decent way, definitely. So, oh, by the way, there is no alcohol, nothing for me. It's not a party. Stay tuned and you will watch what is store for me.
And I have to say quick goodbye to my stray buddies. They are very cute. Reached South City Mall within 8:45 a.m. and it was really vacant.
The decoration is going on in South City Mall.
And finally got my movie ticket, and I was getting so many calls, so I have to switch off the mobile, and I enjoyed the movie Chava, a must watch movie I can say. Clicked before the movie started.
Okay, finally the movie is done. Chava, seriously, this is a really great movie. Obviously, I was a history student in school, so I have read that Maratha and Shivaji, but Sambhuji, no, I did not read much about him. So after watching the movie, I'll definitely search about him. I heard about him, but I will definitely search about him. Vicky Kaushal was really good, and the Aurangzeb, Akshay Khanna, totally it was mind blowing. Seriously, it was mind blowing. So I did not have that much expectation, but seriously it's too good, and definitely you can go and watch the movie. One more thing, this is not for faint hearted. I don't want to be a spoiler. So movie is done right now. It's South City. What is the time? It's 12:15. So I'll have a lunch, but later. Now I will roam around entire South City Mall, and then I will go to a fair. I don't know, Prem Parvon something. Premoy or Prem Bono, what is the name? I will look at that. It's near EDF, that Kaltola playground. 14, 15 and 16 it will be there. So I have to see what is that. When I was coming to South City Mall, so in the morning I saw this is a dome like something. So let's see, it's not the open air fair or something like that. So I will go there, but right now I am roaming. So that is what I am not going to make a vlog, I guess. So I am enjoying and I'm feeling very sleepy as because I have the Valentine pop-up. So thankfully yesterday all the foods were delivered, most of the food, and today in the evening there will be some takeaway. So Valentine pop-up is going on. So work and some me time I can adjust most of the time. So signing off.
As it was Friday, that's why it was not crowded that time. I won this one.
So I am a bowling lover and I got it today. Of course, it's a good Valentine's gift for me.
Definitely, I missed the bowling days, and after that, I went to Spencer. But before that, I clicked some pictures of mine. The hug offer is going on in Hamley, and then I went to Spencer. I got this sample chocolate, and then for my work, I have to buy some veggies. And now, time for lunch. The healthy yet tasty lunch from Sapomi.
This is my lunch today from Sapomi. What I have, chicken steak and creamy mushroom sauce, sauté vegetable, and hot rice. It's with tax, 260 261 rupees. 249, and with tax it's 261 rupees. So to prepare this they took 26 minutes. Taste is good because I had this before, but they're very slow.
I was relaxing and very slowly actually I was finishing my lunch. Post lunch, I saw a dessert offer in Taco Bell that is in 49 rupees. So quickly I rushed there to have this.
Taco Bell, South City, there is an offer of Sunday 49. It's 13th and 14th, that will be 49 rupees. Finally, that churro and Sunday from Taco Bell. Let me show you. There is another offer. So for Valentine 13th and 14th, it will be 49 rupees. So I had it from today. I'm having it from South City Mall Taco Bell. So 13 and 14 that will be in 49, and later on it will be 149 with tax. And on 12th from Lake Mall, I had it at 99 rupees. But today is 49. The Valentine is really good for me.
I loved it, but what I found Lake Mall one is more tastier. I don't know why, but both the Taco Bell, that one is better. That was the Hamleys hug beer. Anybody can hug and then tag them in Instagram so that you will get a free pass of Mirror Maze. I did not do it because I already visited Mirror Maze twice before. Time to say goodbye to South City.
This year Valentine's Day really good for me. Last year also I guess good. Okay, time. Oh, last year it was not good. I remember I had pain wisdom teeth, so it was not that good. But this year, yeah, it's good. So I had my lunch. Ice cream is there, and my favorite continental lunch is there. And now I thought to go to Hamleys for the Mirror Maze, but the offer is going on. Hug that cute teddy. Actually, it's a human, and then you can get the free pass. But I thought no, I'm too shy to hug a teddy. I mean, human teddy, normal teddy is okay. So I'm going for this next stop, and then from Arsalan I will pack the dinner. My mother actually sponsored me. She said let's have something from Arsalan, something matlab not biryani, because it's not winter anymore. We cannot have that much, so we are planning for chicken bhatta and butter tandoori roti. Let's see what we can have. Right now I am going to the Prem something. Again I forgot. I'm very sorry about that.
And finally, it's Prem Bono actually. So I reached there. That is the free entry.
Prem Bono finally. Let's see.
This is not open air, but this is an exhibition come sale, and what I understand that is a lifestyle and food, fashion, this kind of exhibition. So it was good enough. I did not buy anything. Yeah, right. I bought some dhup kathi. It was good, and there are food options. I did not try any food over there. This is the food area, and I have seen some handmade cakes, cookies are there, pickles are there, and then some puli pithe, chicken pakoda. These are there. So there is food option as well. And if anybody wants to buy this kurti and all, they can. I don't know the prices. I didn't ask actually. And some home decors I have seen over there. And my next stop was Arsalan.
Last stop Arsalan near EDF. So bhatta and roti ordered. I will do the takeaway. So Valentine's Day is over.
And that's my another cute stray. He came here to have some biscuit.
আয় তাড়াতাড়ি আয় খাবি খাবি এদিকে তাড়াতাড়ি আয় 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 বিস্কুট দেবো আয় আরও খাবি
At 9:30 p.m. during the dinner, I saw that I have received Rumali roti. It was not crowded at all. I don't know how did they do the mistake. When I called them so many times, they disconnect the phone, and when I sent them WhatsApp, they said, "Okay, we will adjust it during next order." It was not good and very unprofessional from them. Other than that, Valentine's Day was good. So It's good night.